Count of 3.
All right.
1, 2, 3.
Ma, that wasn't fair. You supposed to taste it. What's the little hairs?
Yeah. It's got hairs.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl Bree, and I'm back with another hitter. Don't miss her. She yakking out. Hey, come get her. Hey, hey, hey. All right, well, today we got something fun. First of all, this is my mom. Yay! We're going to do something fun, you guys. We're going to try some snacks from...
Asian snacks.
Yeah, what she said. That's my sister in the background, you guys. She went out of her way and bought all these delicious snacks.
Yes. And
Hopefully...
2 drinks.
Hopefully they're good, y'all. We scared.
Some
I'm
of
kind of
them are-
scared. All right, let's start this thing.
First snack. Hold it up.
They already open too. It looked like she kind of went in and tasted them. These are called shrimp chips.
Let me smell.
Hot garlic.
You first?
I'll say that.
All right, y'all. We finna try these. That's what they look like.
No, wait. With the back taste. There's a back taste. What is it?
Y'all,
Is it shrimps?
I can mess with these.
I don't eat seafood.
Y'all. These good. I can mess with these right here. I like seafood. These busting. Y'all say hot garlic? Oh, they wheat puffs too, y'all. These it right here. Okay, next. Y'all.
Jesus.
What is this?
What does it say?
Tofu cake.
Okay, I like cake.
What?
Let me smell it.
I don't know. It smell like, it kind of, hold on, wait, don't taste it yet. It kind of smell like dog food, I ain't gonna lie.
How do you know what dog food tastes like?
I said smell. I don't know, y'all.
Oh, it smell like...
I touch it. Nothing! No!
I can't do it. I can't do it.
Y'all, I'm sorry.
It don't taste like...
No offense, but no. Next.
It don't taste like anything.
That tastes nasty. You don't taste that?
I'm not going to swallow it. I know that
It
much.
tastes like clay and fish.
Okay.
Next snack.
Fettuccine?
Fettuccine gummies. Is that how you say that?
That's how we going to say it.
Fettuccine.
Oh, they smell like...
Ooh. Smell like,
Ooh.
ooh, it smell like bubblegum.
See, we smell stuff first.
Oh, what is it? It kind of look like Coca-Cola on the front of the bottle. Let's see.
Okay.
Hey,
Lord,
kind of taste like root beer.
this is the best snack that I ever had.
That ain't bad, y'all.
Oh.
Hey, that kind of look like sweet and sour. Kind of like root beer. That ain't good. That ain't bad. That's good. Next. Tropical pineapple marshmallows. And they got Hello Kitty on the front.
Hercules. I love
And y'all, we got all these snacks from our local Asian market too, just so y'all
Yeah,
know.
shout out. We'll say the name later.
Oh, that's interesting. Look how it's shaped.
Ooh, it smells like pineapple.
Oh, it smells
Ooh,
good.
it smells so good.
Ooh,
What's that?
look, y'all.
What's that pineapple?
Ooh, that's good.
How do you do it?
That is good, y'all. There's another one. Yeah, these good.
That's my stash on the right hand
Bussin'.
side.
I
Oh
approve.
my goodness.
That's good. Next,
It's a tofu cake.
it's another tofu cake.
Looks moist.
I mean, look, y'all. Okay, so I'm not trying to be disrespectful to, you know, but
Other foods.
yeah, I'm not trying to, but this don't, come on. It's wet too. All right.
I'm gonna let her eat this one first.
Together. You grab one, Mom grab one. And on the count of 3.
No, I don't think I can do this.
Looks
I can't do that.
You have no choice.
It don't smell like
It is
anything.
wet. It do smell like,
Girl, get that.
Grab
smell
one.
like dog-
And eat at the count of 3.
Ooh.
Wait.
It look like it might taste good. Come on.
Wait.
1.
Hold on.
Grab
Wait, let me
one.
grab another one. I gotta grab another one.
One.
Oh, that's big.
Come on, Bree.
2, 3. What it taste like?
No.
Nothing else. Are you serious?
Wait. Hold on, let me see. Gotta get the back taste.
The back taste tastes like the front taste.
Okay.
I don't approve.
I think it just tried to jump out my mouth, but it's doable.
No.
It reminds me of fruit cake.
No, Ma, that don't taste like fruit.
It reminds me of fruit cake.
That don't taste like fruit, Mom.
Ready for the next one?
Let's do.
Oh, sweet Jesus.
Oh, it's a grass jelly drink. I don't know about grass jelly. No. That's what it look like.
Open it. Let's do it.
It didn't.
Just a little. Oh, wait a minute. Just a little. That's it. That's all I need.
All right, y'all. That's what it look like.
Okay. 1,
Oh, what's that on the inside?
It's like
2,
All right.
3. Here we go.
drink it.
It's pretty good.
You didn't even drink it and drink the drink.
Hey, it tastes like tea. I can do this. That ain't bad. It tastes like tea.
Oh,
Yeah, that ain't bad.
it ain't bad at all.
You don't like it?
What's the residual stuff that's going in my mouth?
It's jelly. I like it. It tastes like tea. I like it.
Drink.
What's next? Oh, these look good. Sweet tea food.
I think it's like a honey cake. It tastes good.
That's what the packaging look like. Let's see. Oh,
Smell.
oh, that smell.
It's like a fruit cake.
It kind of smell like caramel.
Everything smell like fruit
I
cake.
don't know what you going through. It kind of smell like caramel. Let's see.
I'm glad they got this. Came with.
Okay. So the texture for me, I don't like it. But it tastes like a sour cream donut. It does. Yeah, it do. Let's go. Soy sauce flavor. What is this? How you say? How you pronounce
It's
that?
rice crackers.
It's rice crackers. But how do you pronounce? I don't know how to pronounce that word right there.
What makes you think I know how to sound?
So you been practicing?
Not Chinese. I know Korean.
I like rice and I love crackers. You cannot go wrong with this.
I don't like where that smell. Alright, y'all. So they packaging is pretty cool though. I'm not gonna lie.
Ooh,
It's
like
pretty cool.
Like a little hat.
Everything is individually packed.
Oh, damn it.
Four.
Y'all like
Oh,
it? It's good.
yes, now these fine.
Really?
Soy sauce, rice crackers.
Really? Okay.
Y'all, these good. I approve of these.
Okay, I guess. I take the soy sauce. I taste it.
They're good, y'all. Alright. Crispy white sardines.
Sardines.
I'm not flavor.
I I used to eat sardines back in the day, y'all, but I
With
ain't
hot sauce.
I ain't had them in like years. I mean, I was a little girl eating sardines.
And saltine crackers.
I'm kind of scared of these though. That package is.
Hey, Bree, I'm a vegetarian now.
No.
As of 3 minutes ago.
No, you finna eat these. If I gotta eat them, you finna eat them.
I don't do sardines.
You can eat them with.
I can't. Oh,
Here.
You don't want to open
oh
it.
hell no!
Do you need to open
Dog
it?
food, but fish food.
Do you? Oh, no.
We got the bag open finally, and it's very strong. Oh. No, that's a half of a fish.
Count of 3.
All right.
1, 2, 3.
Ma, that wasn't fair. You supposed to taste it. What's the little hairs?
Yeah. It's got hairs.
What does it smell like?
What's this?
Rice.
Rice candy.
Botan rice candy.
Y'all. Oh, cool.
It's so cute. Let me in.
Oh, look, and then you get a little sticker.
Oh, that's so cute.
And it says printed in Japan.
Wow, look at this. It's wrapped twice.
Let's see.
This must be some special candy.
Oh my gosh, Mom.
I don't know what
I'm
this
gonna lick it anyway.
No, I don't know what that is. I'm not gonna lick it anyway.
I can't get mine out.
Just
Wait,
eat
Mom,
it.
don't tell me how it tastes. Wait,
I don't know.
be a little around it.
That's what I'm doing. And just bite in the middle. There you go. Mmm. Right?
That's good. But y'all gotta come up with a better way to wrap that.
Next.
Ooh.
Oh, I get the girl one. You get the boy.
Why I gotta get the boy? I'm not a boy.
You the man.
No, you the man. You the man. You the man. Let's see.
I'm not a boy, Damon.
Oh, it's chocolate. That's the girl right there.
Look.
Oh, it's chocolate, you guys. Let's see.
Oh, it smells like chocolate.
Mmm.
Is it milk chocolate or dark chocolate, bro?
It's milk chocolate. It tastes like. Mmm.
Okay. Somebody's asking to take a bite off the camera. Should I?
I'm sorry, I ate mine.
Good, you can have it.
Mmm. That's good.
Hey, you ate the whole thing?
I don't like it.
Oh, you don't like it?
Y'all. Thumbs up in my book.
I got that one at Walmart.
Wasabi seaweed.
Oh, Lord Jesus.
Now my sister said she got this one at Walmart.
So I don't do hot foods. Wasabi's not hot.
That's not hot. You can share a paper.
Yeah, because I'm not going to eat this whole thing.
Yeah. Just break it in half.
Who's gonna eat it at all? Are you gonna eat it?
I guess they can crush it up. Like, people can
I
crush
want
it
my
up.
own.
You can eat it with rice.
You can crush it up and put it in your rice and stuff like that. So, let's see.
1, 2, 3.
Or you can roll it up.
In what? No. That's hot.
Eat it. It's not hot.
Oh, hell no. Y'all. Okay, first of all, I eat sushi, right? And sushi, everybody know that these little seaweed things is in sushi. But that ain't right. This ain't right. Next. What is this?
Oh, it's cute.
This look like another rice cake.
Mmm.
All right.
Oh, we gotta share.
Oh, it's a big one. Is this another? What is this?
It's like a bigger hat.
It could be soy sauce. Wait,
This is soy sauce one too?
Is
I
it a
don't know,
soy
taste it.
sauce?
what flavor is it?
I don't know, teriyaki. It's good.
Is it?
You don't like it?
Yeah, a little bit.
It's good to me.
Oh my goodness!
Hello, Panda. Vanilla.
Panda, 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 panda.
All right. That's the packaging, you guys. I'm just gonna open it. No, I can't.
You know what you do?
All right.
It has a creamy center with crunchy shell.
I can't. Here you go.
Thank you.
So this is what it looks like.
Oh, this is
Oh,
made
it
in
looks
the
like a
USA.
little
Does this
panda.
count?
Oh, well, these are made in the USA, you guys. We don't know if this counts, but I guess they sell them in the Asian market.
Yeah,
So
they count.
let's see.
Mmm. Good. Mm-hmm.
These it right here.
Mm-hmm.
Good. I like those
Why you put on your side?
because you got the marshmallows on your side.
What in the world?
Aloe vera drink.
See how thick it is?
Is this made in the USA?
Aloe vera is supposed to go on burns.
Yeah, whatever. You can drink it.
All right, y'all. Let's see.
It's sugar free.
Sugar free.
Is it you again, Lord? Yeah. I'm gonna drink some aloe vera drink. Call you back.
Might see you soon. All right. Here we go. What's in it? I mean, it's not bad.
Hair grease.
It tastes like.
Oh, wait. What?
It tastes like jet. It's like gel.
Ooh, it's not. Hold on.
I don't know. It tastes like water, but sweet water. You're not gonna drink all that.
Oh, it's good.
It tastes like water, but sweet water, but
Oh,
something about it giving me gel vibes.
I
Like,
love it.
My hair grease.
like if I rub my hair and do this,
It's-
get a little gel taste.
It has a little crunch to it.
I don't know, y'all.
Oh, that's disgusting. This is delicious.
I prefer this because it tastes like sweet tea.
Mm.
Maki.
Rice crackers wrapped in seaweed.
All right, y'all. Let's see. Why everything smell the same?
What?
You have to. You can't just drop this on the floor.
3. Bite the seaweed.
I don't want to.
What it taste like?
Good.
Mom,
It's so good, Bree. Oh my gosh.
you ain't even tried it.
What's the flavor?
Yeah, I can't.
So
I
good.
don't like that.
This is the last snack.
All right, this is veggie jerky,
It's
Korea
like real-
spicy.
Now I love me some jerky. Beef jerky, steak jerky.
Well, this is veggie jerky. Not bad. Do you just rip?
Yeah, just rip it.
Oh no, I don't know if I like the way that looks.
Okay, no, that's not bad. But what's the
What do you
veggie?
mean it don't smell bad?
This was made in Taiwan.
Mm.
Like it for real?
Mm-hmm.
You ain't got to lie.
It's not bad. Is it? Right? Right?
It tastes like armpit. I can't do it.
And that's where you ask, how do you know how armpit tastes?
I have to say that my all-time favorite it has to be all the sweet stuff is your favorite. So my favorite would have to be, ooh, this is hard between these and the chocolates. Because the chocolate was really good. Chocolate was really good. But I've had chocolate 1,000 times. These right here, I wasn't expecting. It had the pineapple center. These were busting. I like these, y'all. Yeah, these good. But these are my favorite. These were the best for me. These are the best. What's the best for you, Mom? You got to choose one.
One?
Mm-hmm.
I would say these.
Those are your favorite?
These are my favorite.
All-time favorite. So mine was marshmallows. Yours was the fettuccine gummies.
But it has bourbon in it.
That's how you say it.
It has bourbon in it.
I don't know. It tastes good.
Bourbon fettuccine gummy.
The worst snack for me.
Get a green one.
I think these, y'all. And it's because they are super duper fishy. They like super fishy. Like these are worse than the sardine snacks.
These
Yeah.
were atrocious. I'm sure somebody somewhere likes them, and I'm sorry. You know, I'm so sorry.
For your taste buds.
Oh my goodness. Maybe if I did eat this, maybe I'd lose a little weight. No?
No.
I wouldn't.
It'll just make you binge eat these marshmallows. Pineapple marshmallows. Well, y'all, that's it. Mom, let me have a little bit more. That's it. Also, you guys, I promised you that I will tell you in my next video what my giveaway will be. I'm going to go ahead and tell you what that giveaway will be, but I'm still not going to give away until I hit 100 subscribers. I have to be at 100 subscribers in order for the giveaway to happen. So, my giveaway will be $100 million. No, just playing. $100, you guys. $100 for hitting 100 subscribers. Wow. So if you want that cash, I suggest you subscribe, like, and share my content. You must be a subscriber in order to get the giveaway prize. You got to be a subscriber.
Can I enter?
You can enter, but I don't think you're going to get it.
I need $100.
You're my mother. You can't do the prize. You can't get the prize. All right, you guys. Thank you. We had a good time. Continue to watch. Please post in the comments if you guys want to see different content from me. Give me some ideas because I need help. That's it. We out. Bye.